Hello everyone, welcome to Mayflowerhair. Today I'd like to show you my workplace with some products. Of course, you can see most of my products in my website. But now from the video you will give a clean imagination. I have seen unprocessed Brazilian hair, double joint FUNMI hair, 100% virgin Malaysian hair, raw India hair, lace front wig, full lace wigs, and customized wigs. As you know, the popular texture for Brazilian hair is straight, body wave, kinky straight, deep wave, natural wave, jelly curl, loose wave, and this is braided hair. All my braided hair was made of 100% virgin hair. So my braided hair, the color is very nice. No red hair inside, no bad smell, and you can use this braided hair to bleach, to pink, to green, to blue, even any other color you want. This double joint hair is popular in UK, Nigeria, and Ghana. Mayflower hair has full range of FUNMI hair with closure or frontos. That's why I have many customers in Nigeria and Ghana. Some customers maybe also know I have Nigeria Lala account, and I also can receive Ghana CDs. So it's convenient for these two countries' customers to place order with us. We are sent here by cargo agent by plane to Nigeria and Ghana, 5 days or 7 days. This is 100% virgin hair. Also the 5 texture straight body wave, natural wave, curly. This is the top quality hair. I don't like to lengthen my hair long as others send playing game, because I know most vendors cheating customers. Even they selling poor quality hair, they also taught to the customers 9A, 10A, and 12A. So in my website or in my AliExpress store, I don't rank my hair. I just tell my customer and guarantee to all my customers, this is 100% virgin hair. This is raw India hair. I imported from India temples directly. I have a strategy India guy who helped me to buy the raw hair, and she made in India. Raw India hair is popular in top society in United States and Europe, because this hair is good quality. It's easy to maintenance and easy to color. In the cabinet you will see the wigs. Someone is lace front wig, someone is full lace wig, and this is a colorful wigs. But this colorful wigs you have to reserve in advance, because that's a few stock. I also have super double joint Vietnam hair, original Vietnamese hair. More and more customers like to buy my double joint Vietnam hair to make bob wigs. This will be very full and durable than most cheap bob wigs in the market. This is FUNMI hair wigs. This ombre kind of wigs. This is bobo wigs. This front, I have HD front, luminous front wig. Closure 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and some 3D, 5D mink eyelashes. And last is wig making motions. This year, I launched a customer wig service to all. So every customer, you can tell me your wig's dimension, your wig's size, and what density wigs you want. So I will give you suggestions. You can choose 3 buttons, 4 buttons with closure, with front, and I can make this for you within 1 day. Next time I will make a video to tell all the customers how to recognize hair quality. Thanks for your time today. Welcome.